Mr. Donut's Awesome Math Network. It's the Awesome Math Network. Yeah. Math Network.
Welcome back to the Mr. Donut's Awesome Math Network. We got a lot going on today. We got a lot of mustache, got a lot of hair popping out the back of the hat, and then I got a couple new toys today. I got this little mic, so I'm looking forward to seeing how good that sounds, especially when I turn away from the camera. And I got a light, so I like a little brighter for you, but it's doing this weird thing on the board, so try to ignore it. But today we're gonna work on converting fractions to percents, all right? That's come up a lot as a hot topic. So again, what's a fraction? Or what's understood as a fraction? Well, a fraction is a part of a whole. By definition, that's what a fraction is, okay? So let's say, for example, Maurice takes 15 shots in a game. He takes 15 shots in a game, right? And he makes 6 shots. You know, it happens. I don't know. It's Maurice. When he gets 9 shots, he makes 9 shots. 9 shots made. Okay. The first thing we want to do is we want to set this up as a fraction. So we have to identify our numerator and we have to identify our denominator. So our numerator is going to be the total shots taken. Total shots taken. And our numerator is going to be total shots made. You might be asking, why is that, Mr. Donuts? How can you tell? Well, total with an L. So if he made all 15 of his shots, that would be 15 over 15, which would be 1, and it ended up being 100%. He made 100% of his shots. And most people can grasp that concept. If he made all his shots, if you set out to do something and you accomplished all of it, well, accomplished 100% of it. But in this instance, he only made 9 of his shots. So he can't shoot 100%. So what's that fraction going to look like? Well, it's going to be 9 over 15. Let's stop there for a second. 15 total shots attempted, 9 shots made. So how are we going to figure out what this is as a percent? Well, we're going to divide the numerator, the number on the top of the fraction, by the denominator. Okay, so let's make a little think box over here. And write out, actually, divide numerator by the denominator. And there's a couple of schools of thought of this. I'm going to put it in a house for you because I'm nice like that. In a division house, I'm going to go 9 divided by 15. Let me clean up the house. I'm gonna make the house a different color. Let's erase that. Okay. Nice. We could do long division. Right? Why not? 15 does not go into 9, which is going to give us 0 here and a decimal because I have to add a 0 there. So how many times does 15 go into 90? I'm going to tell you that 90 divided by 15 is 6. You can, however, put it into a calculator because a calculator is not cheating. Parents, it's not cheating. I can say 15. I can go 9 divided by 15 equals in the calculator, right? So 15 times 6 is 90. So you have an actual answer of 0.6 or 6 right? But that's not a percent yet. How do we turn 0.6 into a percent. Well, the last step, this is step 1, right? If you want to identify, you consider that identifying your fraction as step 1. But in reality, the step 1 is dividing the numerator by the denominator. So let's say step 1. Step 2 is to take your decimal. Let's see this here for a second. Step 2 is to multiply your answer, in this case the quotient, by 100. So 0.6 times 100, or 6/10, equals 60%. So in this situation, Maurice made 60% of his shots. Let's zoom in there a little bit. Enhance, enhance, enhance. Oh, it's nice. It's pretty. Okay. Zoom out a little bit again. So there you have it, folks. That is how you convert fractions to percents. Please leave any questions, comments, or messages down below, and I will help you. Bye.
Mr. Donut's Awesome Math Network. It's the Awesome Math Network. Yeah, yeah. Math Network.